Bioengineering Inspirations compare human eye and camera system by mentioning the similarities and difference between them. The human eye and camera are optical systems used to capture images. The camera is designed based on the working principle of human eye. Human eye, cornea, and lens focus light. Camera lens focuses light. Iris controls the light entry. Aperture controls the light entry. Retina receives the image. Film or image sensor receives image. Optic nerve transmits the signal. Electronic circuit transmits signal. Then forms the image. This also forms the image. Differences: human eye, camera. It's a living organ. It's artificial device. Retina acts as a screen. Film or CCD or CMOS sensor acts as a screen. Lens changes shape for focusing. Lens moves mechanically. Brain processes the image. Processor processes the image. Self-repairing to some extent. Cannot self-repair. The camera is a bio-inspired imaging system that mimics the structure and functioning of the human eye. Evaluate the working principle of bionic eye. A bionic eye is an artificial visual prosthetic device that restores partial vision of people suffering from retinal diseases or blindness. External camera, image processing transmitter, implanted electrode array, optic nerve. Working principle: a camera mounted on spectacles captures images. The image processor converts images into electrical signals. Signals are transmitted wirelessly to implanted electrodes. Electrodes stimulate retinal cells. Signals travel through the optic nerve to the brain. The brain interprets the signal as visual information. Advantages: restore the partial vision, improves mobility, enhances independent access blind individuals. Retinitis pigmentosa, retinal degeneration, visual rehabilitation. Bionic eye mimics the natural vision pathway and provides artificial vision to visually impaired individuals. Compare and contrast the pumping mechanism of heart and mechanical pump devices. Human heart functions as a natural biological pump that circulates blood throughout the body. Mechanical pump performs the similar function in engineering systems. Heart, biological pump, mechanical pump, artificial pump. Pumps the blood, pumps the liquids. Powered by cardiac muscles, powered by motors. Self regulating, requires external control. Self repair mechanisms present, no self repair. Highly energy efficient, comparatively less efficient. Heart pumping mechanism. Blood enters atria, atria contract. Blood enters the atria, atria contract. Blood enters the ventricles, ventricles contract. Blood is pumped throughout the body. Mechanical pump working: motor drives impeller or piston. Pressure difference is created. Fluid enters the inlet, fluid exits the outlet. Motor drivers, impeller, piston. Pressure difference is created. Then fluid enters the inlet, fluid exits the outlet. Both move fluids, both generate pressure, both use valves for flow control, both require energy input. Mechanical pumps are engineered systems inspired by the pumping action of the human heart. Discuss the mechanism of purification of air by lungs through gas exchange process by focusing on different parts of respiratory systems. The respiratory system purifies inhaled air and facilitates gas exchange between the body and environment. Parts of respiration system is nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, lungs. Mechanism of air purification: filters dust particles. Nose filters the dust particles. Nasal hair traps the contaminants. Mucus captures the microorganisms. Trachea, cilia remove trapped particles. Mucus protects the airways, bronchi and bronchioles. Further filtering occurs, air is distributed through the lungs. Alveoli, site of gas exchange, oxygen enters the blood, carbon dioxide leaves the blood. Gas exchange process occurs. Oxygen rich air reaches alveoli. Oxygen diffuses into the capillaries. Carbon dioxide diffuses from the blood into alveoli. Carbon dioxide is exhaled. Supplies oxygen, removes carbon dioxide, maintains blood pH, supports cellular respiration. The respiration system continuously purifies inhaled air, performs efficient exchange of gas necessary for survival. Evaluate the mechanism of blood purification action by the kidneys. Kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering blood and removing metabolic wastes. Functional unit nephron. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons. Blood purification mechanism: glomerular filtration. Blood enters glomerulus. Water and small molecules are filtered. Proteins and blood cells remains in the blood. Tubular reabsorption. Useful substances are reabsorbed like glucose, amino acids, and water return to the blood. Tubular secretion: additional wastes are secreted into filtrate. Excess ions and toxics are removed. Urine formation: remaining waste becomes urine, passes to ureter and bladder. Functions of kidneys: blood purification, water balance regulation, electrolyte balance, blood pressure regulation, acid base balance. Advantages of natural kidney filtration: continuous operation, high efficiency, automatic regulation, maintains body homeostasis. Kidneys acts as highly efficient biological filtration systems that continuously purifies blood and maintain internal body balance. These are the important diagrams you need to follow.